Okay, so now you've logged in and you're on the home page. So once you log into your home page, you should have these tabs across the top. And on your left-hand side, you should have some custom links. There'll be 2 links added so that you can submit your school site plan and your student plans, and also a link to our SharePoint page. You have recent items, and these are the last 10 items that you've recently worked on. You have the recycling bin, so if you delete an item and need to undelete it, you can come here and select undelete and pull it out. You will spend the majority of your time, though, working with these tabs across the top. So in additional and further videos, we'll go through what each one of these tabs are and how you will use them. So for now, just know that they're here and that you know you're on that tab when it has a color behind it and it's highlighted. So again, we're on the home page. In this big block of space, you have 4 things. You have your chatter feed. And remember, chatter is like instant messenger, it's like Twitter, it's like any type of those, any type of social media application that allows you to communicate and speak with someone who's also using Salesforce. So if you had a question, or if you just wanted to say hello, if you had a new resource, you could add a person and send them a message. So I'm going to add Alicia Hill and just say, hello, this is a test, and share. So Alicia should see that message on her homepage if she has her chatter feed shown, and she may also receive an email notification with that message. This is not required. It's really just here as an additional tool for you to build community within Salesforce. The other thing that you will be able to see is a dashboard. And so on this dashboard, you'll have a list of how many active people are on your caseload, how many home visits you've done, and also your completed activities for the month. There'll be a record. And so you'll have charts here that you'll be able to see. In addition, you'll have your tasks and a calendar. These 2 things are not required, but they're here to help you with better project management and time management. So for example, if I wanted to create a task for myself around data entry, I would say click on New Task, go to enter in data entry as my subject, say when I want it due. So let's just say I wanted it due today. I can provide the status, or say if it's normal, if I wanted it to reoccur on different times, I can make it a reoccurring. And I can also say it for it to send me a reminder. For now, I don't want it to do that. If I had something that I wanted to attach, whether it was a document or a note or something, then I could attach a file there and click Save. Once I have saved it, I can go to my tasks and click on things that are due today, and see my new task will show up. If it's completed, I can click on the X and change my status to completed, save, and that's it. Again, it's only for your project management. The same with the calendar. So say I wanted to remember that there's a field trip coming up at my school. So I could put field trip, and the field trip is going to happen on Monday, and it's an all-day field trip. I could put in, different notes or description about the field trip, just as a reminder to myself, not as an activity or anything like that. It's just really for my time and project management. I click on Save, and it shows up here. I can also click on the calendar, and it'll show up as a calendar date. That's all for the home page. Our next video will be going into Organizations tab.